Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications, here I started the Telegram as well as the Facebook group, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group guys. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor or lecturer vacancies notification from the three different colleges. And out of the three, two are the state university affiliated colleges and one is the state university college. So here the requirement is there without UGS NET or PhD and with PhD also. Okay, for both the two candidates the requirement is there. Let us see the details regarding these notifications. Going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGS NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. It is Pranath College Autonomous, Khordha. Walk-in interview. So walk-in interview will be held on 7th March 2021 at morning 11 o'clock in the office of the principal for the engagement of guest faculties in the departments of education, English and psychology. So the interested candidates may face the interview at the scheduled time and date with all original certificates, mark sheets and other testimonials along with the complete biodata. Self-attested photocopies of all documents and 2 passport size photographs. Okay. So the retired government or aided college teachers below the age of 65 can face the interview. Okay, so it is one college. And coming to the second one is Narsinghpur College. So here you may check down. The mail ID is also given here and the official website is also there. And this advertisement is dated on 20th Feb 2021. The walk-in interview for the contractual lectures in the departments Botany, Zoology and ODIA and guest faculties in English and economics. Apart from Durwan for the gate urgently. Qualified candidates having the above 55% of marks at the PG level may attend the walk-in interview in the college at 11 AM on 3rd March 2021. Okay, so it is the thing guys from the Narsinghpur College and the Durwan should have minimum qualification as a guard. Okay, so it is the second college and coming to the third one. So it is a Kerala University of Digital Sciences, Innovation and Technology. So it is dated on Feb 25th, 2021. So here the assistant professor requirement is there for the School of Digital Sciences, Innovation and Technology. Here the 3 different types of assistant professors are there and all these are on the contract basis. So assistant professor for the School of Digital Sciences, here the educational qualifications MTech with PhD. And the School of Informatics is also MTech with PhD and the School of Informatics under this assistant professor, and here the area of specializations are also mentioned here. So School of Informatics, the candidates with first class master's degree in Botany, Zoology and Environmental Science, Technology with good statistics and with a doctoral degree in Technology or Environmental Science. And coming to the School of Computer Science and Engineering, MTech with PhD, and the area of specializations are also mentioned here, so you may check down. So here the remuneration is 80,000 rupees per month. It is the consolidated and the total number of vacancies are not given here. And the age limit below the 40 years and the nature of appointment is contract basis. And you can apply through online by March 26, 2021 is the last date. Selected candidates will be directly called for the interview. Okay. But for this one, the assistant professor, the eligibility is PG with PhD is also required for this one guys. So these are the total 3 different types of colleges. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGS NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGS NET candidates who are preparing for the UGS NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGS NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So here Unacademy Accelerate is there, and in this one on Feb 28, that is Sunday 4 to 5 o'clock, evening 4 to 5 o'clock, the exam is going to be conducted. So for paper 1, 50 questions will be there, and the candidates who scored rank 1 to 2, 100% scholarship will be available. 3 to 10, 75%, 11 to 35, 50%, and 36 to 150, 25%. So all the interested candidates may enroll now, and the link I will keep in the description box of this video. You may go through the terms and conditions also. Thank you, guys.